How can I confidently walk on the streets with everybody seeing my... This is hot. Oh God. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sugar waxing my armpit hair. Okay, so I know some people like to keep their armpit hair. Yes, if you like to keep them, then you do you, girlfriend. But personally, I don't really like hair anywhere. I like to get rid of it, but I've been really lazy, and as you can see, like, I haven't been making YouTube videos and all this shabam. It took, you know, an effect on other areas, as you can tell. We need to get rid of them. Anyways, please don't judge because they're really long. So before we get started, I'm going to quickly get changed and I'll be right back. So it's time to reveal these bad boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my days, they are so long. How can I show you? Can you see that? Can you see that? So today I decided to try sugar waxing, which is meant to be good for you because it's gentle, it's good for sensitive skin, and it has all natural ingredients. So this is the one that I made not too long ago downstairs, and basically it's just got sugar, granulated sugar, lemon juice and water. But that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you an up close look of my armpit hair just because I need to show you it's long. So as you can see, my armpit hair is like scattered. It doesn't grow all at once. That's because I epilate and it plucks out them individually, so they grow a bit more spread. So as you can see, this one's just, oh my days, I can't believe I've left it for this long. So before we start, I'm going to put some baby powder over my armpit hair. I don't normally do this, but this is what I've seen people do. So I'm just going to put some, like, pat it on, not too much. I don't know if this is like the soft wax or the hard wax, like, I don't know. Clearly I didn't do my research before this. So for the first armpit, I'm probably going to use one of these strips. You can literally buy these from any beauty store. So they're just from Sally's that I've got, and they're literally just like paper waxing strips. So I'm probably going to do one armpit with this, and then the other armpit with just like kneading it. Hopefully it works, but I don't know if it's too hot. Is it too hot? I don't know. So get a bit on your stick, and then this is hot, and then you pull against. Okay, that's better. Look at that. I'm literally sweating on my head now, but that's so much better. You can literally see my armpit hair. Yeah, so it's got like some of it. So I've got a bit more on my stick, and at this time, brush away. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but because it's growing this way, I brushed against it. And then again, get another strip, place it on, and then pull against. There you go. You can see. Oh, that is grim. It's drying out really fast, so I better hurry up or this video would have been a waste. Okay, again, I'm just gonna slab it all over because I ain't got time for this. This is so much effort. I really think that I've done it incorrectly. And then pull against. You can see it come out. So any remaining ones, I'm probably gonna tweezer them out. I'm gonna try this again. So I'm gonna try the kneading one more time, and then I'm gonna give up. So as you can see, it's much harder now. This is disgusting. So you're basically meant to pull it and like knead it. This is horrendous. It's meant to like melt onto your armpit and then pull away. Honestly, I really don't like this sugar waxing. I think, look, it's already hard already. The fact that you have to make it, and then if it gets hard then you have to go and heat it in the microwave. I think it's such a pain. It's like, I suppose it's like normal wax, but I have like a wax warmer, so then it just warms up your wax and then it's ready to use. But the fact that your fingers are really sticky, like whilst you're doing it and after, it's really unpleasant. Definitely for me, it's not worth the hassle. It's really a lot of hassle. It's not worth it. So basically I'm just gonna epilate the rest of my hairs and just show you how easy it is. Okay, so this is the one that I use, and I've had it for the longest time ever. I think I had it when I was back in uni, so it's been many years, and it has 2 settings. It is 1 and then 2, so as you can like literally hear, 1's not as harsh and then 2 is a bit stronger. I don't like how it's so loud. I just think like, why is everybody knowing what I'm doing kind of thing. But anyways, literally turn it on. I have it on the highest setting, and literally I go like this. And I'm basically done. Literally I take this off and use it like this. I'm really ratchet, so I use it like this. Turn it on to the highest, and then I just and just like that, you're done. But look, can you just see how easy that was? And that's literally it. My armpit hair is gone. I love how epilators are really quick. Like, it didn't even take me 2 minutes, like it didn't even take me 5 minutes to zoom zoom. Whereas that waxing, you have to proper like go and make it, warm it up if it gets hard. It's just effort. Like, even now is rock solid. And that is it. That's me showing you my opinions on sugar waxing, and actually sugar waxing my armpit hair and then epilating my armpit hair online too. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any ideas of what else I can do in my later videos, then please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Peace.